Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're turning our attention to the powerhouse of the compact sports car world, the 2025 Audi RS3. What's the latest buzz on its availability and performance? Let's dive in. First off, when can we expect to see the 2025 RS3 on dealership floors? Audi has hinted at a late 2024 release, but will it be available worldwide right away? That's still up for debate. Are you in a region where Audi is popular? Let us know in the comments. Now let's get into the meat of the matter. Performance. What's lurking under the hood? The 2025 RS3 is rumored to sport a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5 engine. But how much power does that translate to? Expect around 400 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. How does that stack up against its rivals? We'll compare it shortly. But it's not just about power. Handling is crucial too. What can we expect in terms of driving dynamics? With Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, you can anticipate razor-sharp handling and outstanding grip. Will there be new tech features? Absolutely. Expect a revamped infotainment system and advanced driver assistance features. Now, how about the design? Will the 2025 RS3 retain its aggressive look? Yes. Expect bold lines, a sporty stance, and an interior that combines luxury with sportiness. But is it practical for daily driving? With ample leg room and a spacious trunk, it's a great option for everyday use. So, the 2025 Audi RS3 is set to be a thrilling ride packed with power, precision, and practicality. Are you excited about its arrival? Share your thoughts below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.